Ooh, that's yummy stuff. You ready? You ready for the next spoon? Here it comes. What do? Oh, yes, I open my mouth. And I suck it off that spoon. That's what I do. And you ready for another one? Oh, open wide. Good boy. Yes, good boy. You ready again? Oh, yeah. That's a good boy. Okay, let's sit up straight. Oh, yeah. It would just be easier to eat that way. Easier to swallow. You ready? Oh, yeah. Okay, you ready? Oh, yeah, just use your sleeve. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Yummy. You want another bite? Yes, I do. I don't mind if I do. Move your hand and I can get to your mouth. Give me your hand. Oh, yeah. I like that stuff. Don't get it up your nose. But we're going to get your nose later. After lunch, we'll get your nose. Yeah. Oh, that's some good stuff. Yeah. But wait just a minute. Okay. Want more? You want more? Okay. You've got to get your hands out of your foot. I know it. You're doing good. Ooh. I like that. Here, let me see. Oh my goodness. It's all coming back. No, I know. Oh, sweet pea. Look. It's not over. Here. I've got more coming. Look. You want more? I got more. Yeah. Oh, and you get to play with the bib. Did you show Mommy your new bib? What does it say? Oh, I know. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, here. Do you want more? Are you still hungry? Want some more? You want to go to your bottle now? Okay. We'll clean up and